Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of warm water, about 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for 5 to 7 minutes until it gets nice and frothy. Then, prepare 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. These basic items are all you need to start your delicious homemade pizza journey. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Add your flour, salt, and olive oil to the bubbly yeast mixture. Stir until the ingredients combine into a rough, shaggy dough. Transfer this dough to a lightly floured surface. Knead it by hand for about 8 to 10 minutes, or use a stand mixer with a dough hook for 5 to 8 minutes. The dough is ready when it feels smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, ensuring it's coated, then cover it. Allow it to rise in a warm place for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until it has visibly doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and stretch, or roll it into a 12-inch circular shape, leaving a slightly thicker crust around the perimeter. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, ideally between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your shaped dough to a baking sheet or a preheated pizza stone. Add your preferred sauce and toppings. Bake for 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbling. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.